Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a minimalist paradise. This is a beautiful home in the heart of Lutyens, Delhi. It's a duplex apartment with some beautiful art, very minimalistic furniture, cleverly designed minimalistic spaces with even a mirror to check yourself out right here in the entrance lobby, a lovely stainless steel and glass staircase, spiral, that goes down to another set of like living area and another sort of entertainment zone below. There are some lovely photographs of the beautiful Smita Patil along this lovely space, has this beautiful architectural element of the spiral staircase for the duplex. We have a powder room towards one side. And this area takes you into the formal drawing dining area. This is a very interesting screen which actually has something called a switch glass, so that you can make, you can divide these spaces and leave them open if you like. On a press of a switch, it becomes opaque completely and you're sealed off from the rest of the world. As we enter from the lobby into the drawing dining space, I'll walk you around and show you what the main elements and features of this lovely space is. Right in the beginning, a beautiful right-angled B&B Italia sofa, which has got this hand-stitch saddle stitching on the edge, and it's one of the most comfortable loungers you'll ever meet, with these two coffee tables as well. You can change the shape, pass things around. We have a beautiful Tuff & Cairn carpet. These are two beautiful Cassini chairs with some diamond artwork on the top, the cutwork. And this is the B&B Italia TV cabinet cum bookshelf. This TV cabinet is actually a bookshelf cum TV cabinet. You can just slide it, books and a little bit of the artifacts come out, and the TV gets hidden behind this. And when everybody else is gone and you're in your private space or you're watching a match with your friends, you just turn it around, you flip it, and you get this lovely 65-inch television here. On the walls, we have some beautiful art by Souza, and we have in a little bar here. There was an alcove here begging for something to be done, and it was too deep, so we managed to fit in a snug bar, with the wine rack and a fridge and everything else at the back. Bokeh light enhances the backlit onyx which we have over here, and there's enough storage, and there's a little wet area as well at the back. This is a Roche Bobois adjustable remote controlled dining table with these lovely dials on top and all glass. It expands, right? And again, we have this screen which is very intelligently done. It's a switch glass that if you don't want people entering your home, and if you have less people to have privacy, it becomes like a curtain. On a flick of a switch, this becomes opaque and you cannot see in here from the outside. We have this beautiful Sabawala painting here, which for the people in the know will know the value of the possession of something, to have something like this. This is just a simple floating high gloss, merges with the wall cabinet, which doesn't require too much space, staying with the minimalistic character of the home. And again, a beautiful photograph, highlighting the street of Calcutta. We have this flower light on top, gives the place a beautiful sheen and lighting. Downlighters for all, highlighting all the art as well. Like an art gallery, say in a Tate Museum or anywhere abroad. Again, all the systems here, instead of having split air conditioners which take the place of pride which a painting should have, we have managed to put a ductable split so that even these old homes can have beautiful art, and it looks seamless. Everything is automated, the curtains, the blinds, there's an away button. When you come back home, you can set your mood lighting. So, it's all very integrated, and something which is very easy at a very good price to be done in India as well now. Earlier these things were only seen outside of the country in Miami or New York homes, Bel Air apartments. Now you can get all this automation at a very good price and very reliable as well. So now we're going to take you into the private quarters, the sleeping area, the bedrooms, master suite. We've integrated 2 rooms to make one large room with a study. We've shifted all the walls around wherever we could to enlarge. The dining room area was smaller. Now we made it huge for a long, 8-seater dining table. This corridor used to be on that side. We managed to find, like an area that we could slip in a new door and expand that area, plus increase the bedrooms and the bathrooms to make them much bigger than they originally were. So this was essentially one bedroom, and that was another bedroom. We managed to take the powder room out of that bedroom and make this into a larger room, as you can see, and a nice lounge here that you can sit around, get cozy in the winter, look out the window into the gardens of the clubhouse. Wall-to-wall wardrobe area, so that you don't run out of space. There's a your quintessential computer Apple to do your work in, with a window with a view of the outside. Very comfortable seating, lovely herringbone floors of real wood. Warm carpets have been thrown, kilns to bring in some Indian touch as well. Take you into the bathroom, which we have managed to make much larger than for these smaller flats. Typically they were only 7x6, but this has become a huge space, as you can see. All the WCs in the apartment are heated and are automated as well. All the geysers and all other fittings are not in the bathroom. They've been carefully hidden away in the false ceilings or in shafts and stuff like that. So the client is a big buff of sports, so watches a lot of golf, a lot of television. So we have this massive television over here to give him an actual feel of walking a golf course or being pretty much part of the football or the cricket field itself. And mostly it's still very minimal. If you'll see everything, it's very clean. It's very like blanco, like they say in Italy. So apart from the master suite, we have another guest bedroom here, which has beautiful herringbone wooden flooring. Warm color brings in some warmth to the place. A lovely window, like a New York loft, overlooking a beautiful garden of the park and the clubhouse area. Again, a large TV, minimalist floating TV cabinet, leather paneling on the wall, lovely sunshine coming in from over here, wardrobe onto one side, and actually a very interesting element behind this, we have a hidden secret door which you cannot tell, and there is a storeroom at the back and another walk-in wardrobe. So this is a classic, as you can see, a classic Corbusier lounger in leather and stainless steel. This suite has also a lovely large bathroom that we managed to eke out by joining in two small areas. Also put in a little bit of wood to bring in some warmth and some lovely Satuario Italian marble. Again, the WCs are all automated and heating and all the other facilities are with it. As you would have experienced when we took you around the space, that we have managed to create in our own beloved India, all these automations that were not here available in the old days. Integrated sound system, hidden speakers, on a touch of a button your curtains go up, your blinds come down. There's a night mode, away mode, mood setting lighting. So everything is possible in this country now, and at a very, very economical price. Clearly some things will cost more than others, but we work for every budget, and the idea is to not spend a whole bunch of money and still make it look like it's a beautiful space. And I'm Anil Handa. Please feel to contact me anytime you like. We'll be happy to answer all your queries and help you with your design process for any space that you might have.